Hi, in the previous video we discussed a little bit about association rule. In this video we are going to go a little bit deeper about the association rules, and also we will discuss what are item sets. So as you can see on the screen, we have item sets in front of us. Item set is something which is derived from our data set, and it may consist of one or more item. So basically item set can be any subset of this entire transaction. Okay, so beer is item set, beer milk is item set, soda is item set, mobile is item set, and they can also be combined with each other. Head perfume is item set, and beer, milk, bread, white, the subsets of our data set can be termed as the item sets. First thing, so from these item sets, we generate the association rules, as in which item sets are purchased, as in which item sets are likely to be purchased when certain item sets have been purchased. Okay, so from these item sets, association rules are generated and written in the form of implication, as we just discussed in the previous video. Okay, so we write them something like this. We have first item set, then we have this implies simple, and then we have the second item set. And how do we read this? We read it as if diaper and milk are bought, then beer is also bought. Okay, so this thing has already purchased and this is likely to be purchased. Another word you can have for these item sets is ascendants and consequent. Okay, the items at the left of the implies symbol are ascendants, and items at the right of the implies symbol are consequent. Okay, now the thing is when we are doing analysis, when we have item sets and everything, the thing is we can form tons of association rules. Okay, we can form a lot of association rules, but the thing is not all association rules generated from item sets are actually relevant for us. Okay, not all association rules are relevant, and we may choose to select or reject rules based on their usefulness. And this is what we call as the process of pruning. What is pruning? Pruning is filtering out of useful and important rules out of all the rules generated. The items with k elements would lead to these many rules, 2 की power k minus 2. It's a lot of rules. Okay, so we use pruning. So the pruning is used to filter out the relevant rules that might actually benefit our model. Okay, so here are certain parameters. Now how do we prune? There are certain parameters which can help us decide which rules to keep, and most commonly used parameters are support, confidence, and lift. And these are the parameters that we discuss in the next video.